You remember that feeling, right? The butterflies, the racing heart, the way you couldn't stop staring at them. Everything about them felt electric, but somewhere along the way, that intensity faded, and you started wondering, is something wrong with us? Did I choose the wrong person? Here's what no one tells you. Physical attraction is designed to fade, and that's not the problem. The problem is, most people don't know what's supposed to replace it. Let me explain the psychology behind what actually makes someone stay. Number 1, your brain chemistry shifts. In the beginning, your brain floods with dopamine, norepinephrine, and phenylethylamine. These are the chemicals responsible for obsession, excitement, and that can't eat, can't sleep feeling. Psychologists call this the limerence phase. It's intoxicating. But here's the catch. Your brain can't sustain that level of intensity forever. After about 18 to 24 months, those chemicals naturally decrease. It's not that you're less attracted, it's that your nervous system physically can't maintain that high. This is biology, not a relationship failure. And when couples don't understand this, they panic. They think the spark dying means the love is dying, but it's actually just transitioning. Number 2, familiarity replaces mystery. Remember when everything about them was new? The way they laughed, their random habits, the stories they told? Discovery creates excitement, but over time, you learn everything. There's no mystery left to uncover, and that's when physical attraction loses its chemical boost. This doesn't mean the relationship is doomed. It means you're moving from the discovery phase to the depth phase, but most people don't know how to navigate depth. They mistake comfort for boredom, security for settling, and they go searching for that initial high somewhere else. Number 3, what actually makes someone stay? Here's the truth that saved my understanding of relationships. Physical attraction gets you in the door, but it's not what keeps you in the room. What makes someone stay is emotional safety. It's knowing you can be your messiest self and they won't leave. It's the way they remember your coffee order, the inside jokes no one else understands. It's being able to sit in silence without it feeling awkward. Psychologists call this secure attachment. And it's built through consistency, vulnerability, and showing up even when it's not exciting. This kind of love doesn't give you butterflies, it gives you peace. Number 4, respect outlasts desire. You know what's more powerful than physical attraction? Genuinely respecting who someone is, the way they handle stress, their values, how they treat people when no one's watching. When you respect someone's character, attraction becomes deeper than physical. It becomes admiration. And admiration doesn't fade when they gain weight or get older. It grows when you watch them overcome challenges, when you see them stay kind in a cruel world, when they show integrity, even when it costs them something. Number 5, friendship is the foundation. The relationships that last aren't the ones with the most passion. They're the ones where you're actually friends, where you genuinely enjoy each other's company outside of romance, where you can laugh together, build together, face problems as a team. Physical attraction makes you want someone, but friendship makes you choose them every single day, and that choice, made consistently over time, is what builds a love that doesn't fade. Number 6, what this means for you. If the physical spark has dimmed in your relationship, don't panic. Ask yourself these questions instead. Do I feel safe with them? Do I respect who they are? Are we friends, not just lovers? Do they make my life better? If the answer is yes, then what you have is rare. It's not the movie version of love, it's the real version. And real love isn't about constant butterflies. It's about building something that survives when the butterflies are gone. Physical attraction fades for everyone, but what you build in its place determines everything.